Welcome to Anna's Coastal Kitchen. Today I'm making spinach and cheese puff pastry pinwheels. These look difficult, but they're really easy and very delicious. So let's get started. You will want to defrost some puff pastry dough for 40 minutes, as well as draining a package of frozen spinach and squeeze out as much water as you can. We're going to start off by shredding a half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. You can also use Muenster cheese. Grate a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. So we have the half a cup of the Monterey Jack and the quarter cup of the grated Parmesan cheese. Chop the green onion, including the white and green parts. I'm chopping 2 of the green onions because I'm making 2 sheet pans for my cooking club meeting tonight. Now we're going to make the egg wash by mixing 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water and beat that well in a small bowl. Add the chopped green onions to the Parmesan and Monterey Jack cheese mixture. Also add 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can use more if you like a lot more garlic flavor. And mix well. Here I have a lightly floured surface to unroll my puff pastry. So let's get that going. If it starts to break up on you, just put a little bit of water and just kind of glue it back together. But this looks pretty good. Now I'm not going to flatten this out or roll it out. I think it's fine the way it is. That's what I think is going to work best. So I'm going to have to use this giant brush to brush the egg wash on top of it. Now we're ready to top it with the cheese mixture. And now we're going to top it with the spinach. Just kind of spread that out a bit. And I'm going to turn this because we want to start with the short end, but I can always roll it up this way, and you can see. So we're going to roll it up like a roulade. Kind of leave a little bit on the end so we can seal it. I'm going to slice them in 1/2-inch slices. So I have my sheet pan lined with parchment paper.
After trying this
for the first time,
I suggest you mix the spinach and the cheese mixture together and then spread it on top.
Swirls. This one. Okay. Now we're going to brush them with some egg wash.
Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes or until golden brown.
The timer went off, so let's check it out. Let's see if they're ready to go. Yep, they look golden brown, ready to come out of the oven.
Wow, these look really delicious. I hope my cooking club members enjoy them. I hope you try them. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Anna's Coastal Kitchen. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.